Hi guys, let me show you in this video how to fix the problem that you don't have output of sound on Windows 11. Now to start the tutorial, you want to right click into the start button right here and open your settings tab. Once you have this open, you want to click into sound. Right here where you see is the output. Be sure that you have selected the correct one that you use. In my case it's system, and this is with the Go XLR Mini because it's what I use for live streaming, but anyway. Now, if you don't see your output device, your speakers or headphones that you're using, in this list right here, you want to click into Add Device. Inside of here, you want to choose the correct device, that is the one you are connecting. For example, if you want to use Bluetooth, wireless, display or dock, or everything else. If after that you still have the problem, you want to close the settings, right-click once more into the Start button and go into Device Manager to update your audio drivers. When this window opens, you want to click into Sound, Video and Gain Controllers. And right here you have the high definition audio device and the NVIDIA high definition audio. Normally you are going to be using the high definition audio device. So double click into it, go into driver and click into update driver. When this window pops up, you want to click into search automatically for drivers. If your drivers are old, it's going to change them right here. And like this, you can update your drivers. Now, if you still have problems, go once more into the settings menu, once more into sounds, and scroll down until you see the Troubleshoot Common Sound Problems and click into Output Devices. This is going to try to repair the problems that you can have in your devices. If nothing of this works, you have a couple of options. One is to really check that you don't have it muted. I know it's something obvious, but it can happen that you don't see it. Or check the cable or how you have connected your device into your PC, because it can be that the cable is broken or damaged, and that is causing the problem. What you can do is to try to connect another device that you have available or for a friend and try it like that. Thanks for watching, my friends. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to drop a like, and a subscriber is more than welcome. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.